Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. In a grade 10 class of 60 students, 42 like math subject and 36 like communication subject. How many like both? Now in order to solve this question, let's try to put this given information in a Venn diagram. Let this be representation of 42 students who like math. So 42 students who like math. This entire circle is representing 42 students. And let this be representation of 36 students who like communication. Again 36 who like communication, and this entire circle is representing 36 students who like communications. Now if you must have observed it carefully, this overlap part has been considered in both the numbers, that is in 42 students who like math and 36 students who like communications. And this overlap portion is representing nothing but number of students who like both subjects. It is given that total number of students is equal to 60. Now if we consider this part, that is number of students who like both subjects, as x, number of students, let number of students who like both subjects equal to x. Now that we have considered this as x, we can easily try to find an equation to solve this question. Now if I add 42 plus 36, I have included x plus x two times in this summation, because x is included in 42 as well and 36 as well. So when I write 42 plus 36, I have added x two times already. And if I want this summation to be equal to 60, I will have to balance this x. Now we need x only one time. So we will subtract ones and this will cancel out and we'll have only 1x at the end. Now this is our final balanced equation. So yes, this is our final equation. So let's solve this and get the number of students who like both subjects. So 42 plus 36 is 78 minus x equal to 60. So that gives us x equal to 78 minus 60. So we get x equal to 18. Thus, number of students who like both subjects is equal to 18. Let's see. Yes, answer is option D.